Romeo the Science Girl.
Today, I'll be showing you something incredible. When I was younger, I always used to wonder, what am I made of? Why do I look like my mom and my dad? Well, the answer is simple. It didn't have to find it in a treasure hunt, but it's in my textbook. It's because of DNA, also known as deoxyribonucleic acid. This acid makes me and makes this kiwi it. So today I'll be showing you how to extract DNA from this kiwi, and I'll be showing you all the process and the science behind it. So let's jump right in. Before we start, I'll let you know what are the materials you'll be requiring to conduct this experiment. First of all, obviously, you'll be needing the kiwi. Half of it is enough, but if you want to make a bigger batch, use the full one. Next is the dishwash soap, salt, rubbing alcohol, a filter, and a plastic airtight baggie. So let's get started. Now, the first step that you need to do is cut your wonderful kiwi in half. If you want to make this in bigger portions, go ahead, take the full kiwi. But I want to save some for myself, so I just took one half. Next, you're going to have to take this dishwash and pour it into this baggie with some water. Fill your bowl with 50 milliliters of water and some dishwash. Next, you add some salt. Now that all the salt is dissolved, you can transfer this liquid or this solution into the plastic baggie. This is our extracting solution. Now I've got this solution in the bag. Next step is to take my kiwi and plop it inside. Make sure to seal it tightly. Now what you're going to have to do next is mash up all the kiwi and make sure it mixes well with the solution. Now, after you're done, make sure there are no little chunks inside. Great job! We're almost done. Now all we have to do is strain this solution and pour in the rubbing alcohol. Great. Now for the final step, adding the rubbing alcohol. Wonderful. Now let it set for 5 minutes or so. Hello everyone, I'm back once again. Now, if we look at our solution, we'll see that there's white clumps of something alongside the alcohol layer. Now what could this something be? Well, obviously it's DNA. Now let's get to know the science behind it all. As you know, we started off with the extracting solution, which contained dish soap and salt. This dish soap breaks down the cell membrane and allows the DNA to flow into the solution, and the salt helps the DNA to clump up together. When you add the rubbing alcohol, you will notice that it is colder than the kiwi solution. So, the DNA precipitates since it's not soluble in alcohol. Therefore, you see the DNA in white, stringy clumps. Isn't that interesting? How cool is that? And we did this all in a bedroom, in my bedroom. So, my dear friends, sciencing isn't that hard after all. You just have to put some effort, practice, and determination.